Come. Let's discuss. Have you ever noticed how quickly the world is changing? I notice it every day. In my time when I was growing up, it wasn't like this. Talking about 10 years ago, 15 years ago, even 20 years ago. Just few years ago, many businesses relied heavily on physical locations, paper records, traditional marketing, and face-to-face transactions, face-to-face interactions. Today, businesses are operating online. When I say businesses, I mean all businesses, if not all, nearly all businesses. Meetings happen virtually. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries, and digital skills are becoming more valuable than ever. And the simple truth is this: the world is undergoing a digital transformation. And those who learn to adapt will thrive, while those who resist change may struggle to keep up. But what exactly is this digital transformation? And more importantly, how do you successfully manage it without becoming overwhelmed? In today's video, I will walk you through practical steps for managing digital transformation, whether you are an entrepreneur, an employee, a business owner, a student, or someone trying to stay relevant in today's digital economy. So let's get started.
And it goes a little something like
Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Edna. On my channel, I talk about personal improvements, transformation, how to improve and transform your life holistically and especially financially. What is digital transformation? Let's first of all define that. Digital transformation is a process of using digital technology to transform how we work, how we communicate, how we serve customers, solve problems, and create opportunities. It is about changing how we think, how we work, how we create value using digital tools, how we do things. For example, moving from paper systems to digital systems, using social media to market products and services, selling products online instead of only through physical stores, using automation to simplify repetitive tasks, learning digital skills that increase income opportunities. Digital transformation is not just for large corporations, it affects everyone. Yes, when I say everyone, I mean everyone, you and me. Why is this digital transformation important? The reality is that technology is changing every industry. Healthcare industry, education industry, finance, retail, transportation, marketing, name it. Businesses that fail to adapt often struggle to remain competitive, and individuals who fail to develop digital skills may find themselves with fewer opportunities in the future. This is very true. Digital transformation creates greater efficiency, increased productivity, better customer experience, new income opportunities, greater flexibilities, and scalability. The question is no longer whether digital transformation is necessary. The question is whether we are prepared to embrace it, because it has come to stay. If you are that one, stay thinking that things is going to remain the way it used to be, I'm sorry to say you are not wise. Digital transformation has come to stay. You must embrace it. How do you embrace this digital transformation? Number one step is develop the right mindset. Every successful transformation begins with mindsets. How you see things. Many people fear change because it feels uncomfortable, because it shakes them. So they worry, what if I fail? What if I don't understand the technology? What if I'm too old to learn something new? but growth requires adaptation. The most successful people are not always the smartest. No, they are often the most adaptable people. People that are ready for a change. People that prepare for a change no matter how it comes. Instead of viewing technology as a threat, you want to begin to see it as a tool. Ask yourself, what opportunity can this technology create for me? A growth mindset is the foundation of successful digital transformation. See it as a tool that has come to improve you. Digital transformation has come to improve us, so you want to embrace it. Number 2, you want to identify what needs to change. Sit down, evaluate your current situation before you start implementing any technology. Ask yourself, what processes are wasting time? What tasks could be automated? What skills do I need to develop? What areas of my businesses or career need improvements? Digital transformation works best when it solves real life problems. Technology should support your goals, not complicate them. So digital transformation has come to simplify, what has been. Identify your biggest challenges first, then seek digital solutions. And it will surprise you how things can be simplified. Complicated things can become simplified through digital transformation. Step number 3 you want to do is learn relevant digital skills. There are many relevant digital skills out there. One of the most important parts of digital transformation is skill development. Technology changes constantly. If you look at it, what happened 2 years ago is not where we are now. Where we used to be last year is not where we are now. Things are evolving. The people who remain valuable are those who embrace continuous learning digital skills as they evolve. So there are so many important digital skills that you want to learn, some of which are content creation, social media marketing, artificial intelligence, digital communication, data analysis, personal branding, online business management, digital sales and marketing. You don't need to master everything. Start with one skills, then build from there. Small, consistent learning creates massive long-term growth. Don't stay where you are. Identify one that resonates with you. Start learning from there. You can never be too old or too young to embrace digital transformation. Everybody needs it. In our world today, every one of us, so everybody needs this digital transformation. Number 4 step you want to take is implement systems and automation. This is very important because one major advantage of digital transformation is efficiency. Technology allows us to automate repetitive tasks. Examples include scheduling social media content, email marketing sequences, customer follow-up systems, appointment scheduling, project management tools. Automation frees us time so you can focus on higher value activities. Remember, technology should work for you, not create more work for you. They have come to simplify your task so that you can pay attention to higher value activities. Step number 5, embrace continuous learning. I can't overemphasize this enough. Digital transformation is not a one-time event. It is an ongoing process. Technology continues evolving. New tools emerge every now and then. Industries changes. Customer behavior shifts. The people who succeed are lifelong learners. Remember, leaders are readers. Any would-be leader is a reader. So you want to read books, you want to take courses, attend webinars, attend conferences, follow industry leaders. You want to stay curious because the willingness to learn may become one of the most valuable skills of the future. Be willing to learn. Be willing to change. Step number 6, start to build an online presence. This is very important. You don't want to stay outdated. You don't want to be among the left behind. In today's digital world, visibility creates opportunities. You want to be visible to the world out there. Whether you are an entrepreneur, professional, a coach, consultant, a mentor, or a job seeker, having an online presence matters. Imagine the days that we are in. People are being asked for their social media handle when they go for an interview. So you want to build an online presence. Consider creating content. Have a social media platform. Build a personal brand. Let people know you for who you are, what you are. Network. Build network online. Sharing your expertise, establishing credibility, and your online presence can open doors that traditional networking alone cannot. So you want to build visibility. You want to have a brand. So you don't want to stay outdated. You want to stay relevant in the digital world. Step number 7, be patient with the process. Don't rush yourself. One of the biggest mistakes people make is expecting immediate results. Transformation takes time. Remember where you used to be, where you are coming from. Learning takes time. Growth takes time. Success in the digital world comes through consistency, discipline, patience, adaptation, and continuous improvement. Don't compare your beginning to someone else's success story. No, focus on progress. Small improvements every day will create remarkable results over time. So, in conclusion, digital transformation is not about technology alone. It is about preparing yourself for the future. It is about building yourself to be relevant in the world that you are in. It is about being relevant to make impact. The people who thrive in today's world are those willing to learn, those that are willing to adapt, embrace change, and take action. Remember these key steps that I mentioned. Develop the right mindset. Identify what needs to change. Learn digital skills. Implement system and automation. Commit to continuous learning. Build an online presence. Be patient and stay consistent. The future belongs to those who are willing to evolve. So my question for you today is, what is one digital skills you are committed to learning this year? Let me know in the comment section. If this video has helped you, don't forget, I want you to like. I want you to subscribe if you haven't. I want you to share with someone who wants to succeed in the digital age. You need it. I need it. Every one of us need it. We need digital transformation to be relevant in today's world and even in the future. So with that, we come to the end of today's video. Thank you for sticking with me. Remember, I'm your sister in faith and in purpose, Edna. See you in the next video. Bye.